Clickable link on Instagram bio helps you a lot to gain sales, engagement, and other kind of activity that you want to do with your audience. How can you actually make clickable link on Instagram bio? It's so much easy. All you need to do is open your Instagram app. It could be on iOS, Android, regardless of operating system. Open your app, click on edit profile. After going to the profile, now here you can see the option of links. Click on add links. Remember, the links option is below the bio option. After that, click on external link or maybe Facebook profile. You can add your Facebook profile too, but I want to recommend that since external link is much more useful. Click on external link. Here you have to use URL. Now you can title your website and stuff, whatever you want to. Just click on done. If you don't want that link, you can click on remove button. That's a red color, and that's it. Simple. You are now good way. Now you can even reorder your links on the three dots you can see on the screen. This way you can reorder your link on your Instagram profile. So this was how you could make Instagram bio links clickable in just few seconds, and I'll see you in the next one.